A powerful setup is developing around AMC, and the market data that surrounds it is pointing toward one of the most significant occasions in the whole trading history of the company. The analysis that is presented today breaks down the increasing pressure that is being placed on short sellers, the fundamentals that are becoming stronger, the macroeconomic climate, and the collateral crisis, and how all of these factors are coming together to form a situation that has the potential to push AMC into its most volatile phase 2 yet. Once again, AMC is exhibiting patterns that traders have seen in the past for the first time. Major shifts in stocks that have been heavily shorted, the same indications that surrounded previous high-profile rallies, are making a comeback. These signals include suppressed price action, substantial off-exchange routing, aggressive dark pool volume, and unexpected correlations with GME. When AMC starts to climb, GME also starts to climb shortly after, and vice versa. This has been the case throughout history. The rationale for this is because there are overlapping positions, shared collateral structures, and shared short sellers across the board in the event that one runs. The pressure force will cover the other component. The interdependence of these things is one of the primary motivating factors behind this analysis. As a result of recent developments concerning both AMC and GME, the pressure that is being exerted on short sellers is concurrently increasing. Furthermore, the condition of AMC continues to improve from a fundamental standpoint. The international release of significant films such as Zootopia 2 has resulted in the accumulation of more than $500 million and has been credited with producing one of the most successful opening weekends in the history of cinema. The box office is shaping up to be one of the strongest quarters that AMC has seen in years, thanks to the combination of prior successful releases and impending blockbuster films. This growing momentum is in line with AMC's enhanced operational efficiency, which means that the corporation is able to produce more income even without surpassing the box office numbers from the previous year. The possibility for increased revenue becomes even more substantial this year as a result of the larger box office that has been reported. There is support for this narrative from institutional interest. Inflows of capital demonstrate that AMC continues to attract fresh investment, which reflects confidence that the company is positioned for a more prosperous future by virtue of its current position. There is a correlation between these inflows and measures like as ownership reports and OBV, which demonstrate that a considerable proportion of AMC holders are not currently selling their shares. This persistent accumulation is a significant contributor to the recent increase in the price of AMC, and it lends credence to the notion that regular investors and institutions are using AMC as a protective asset during times of uncertainty. Over the course of the past 5 trading days, the value of AMC has climbed by around 18%, but the value of Bitcoin has only increased by approximately 6% during the same time period. A further point to consider is that the decrease in the market capitalization of Bitcoin over the past several weeks amounts to a value of more than $1,000 per AMC share when translated proportionally. The purpose of these comparisons is not to directly quantify AMC in relation to cryptocurrency. Rather, they are meant to bring attention to the large amount of capital that is leaving high-risk assets and maybe moving into areas that investors consider to be safer or cheap. In the past, the decline in collateral-heavy assets like cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence stocks has typically coincided with the upward movements of AMC. The concept of collateral pressure, which is one of the most important themes, is introduced here. Collateral from a wide variety of asset classes, including cryptocurrency, megop, technology stocks, reverse repo liquidity, and other assets, is an essential component of the financial system. When the value of these collateral assets decreases, short sellers are put under an increasing amount of stress. It becomes more difficult for them to keep massive short positions open, and margin requirements start to get more stringent over time. When collateral is no longer available, the likelihood of a forced unwinding increases. Due to the fact that AMC and GME were widely shorted utilizing these collateral sources, A collapse in the value of the collateral can generate a quick increase in the prices of these two companies immediately. In recent times, off-exchange routing levels have been exceptionally high, ranging from 74 to 75%. This is another significant piece of information. This level of routing is consistent with the behavior of prices that have been suppressed. In spite of this routing, AMC still managed to achieve a gain of more than 6% by the end of the previous week. In addition, this is supported by the actions of institutions. As investors have identified AMC as a possible safe haven in the midst of concerns that the artificial intelligence industry may be experiencing a bubble. The current share price of AMC is the reason that hedge funds do not fear the company, which is ironic. They are afraid of what the price conceals. A discernible pattern has been left behind as a result of the presence of substantial quantities of synthetic shares. Years of dark pool volume and ongoing spoofing. The fact that market makers themselves have admitted that they occasionally manually pick what they consider to be the appropriate price raises even more issues about the process of true price discovery as you zoom out. You can see an ever more expansive view. The state of the macroeconomy is an extremely important factor. Interest rates that are on the rise have an effect on the business models of organizations that are significantly dependent on borrowing money, such as larger trading companies. When interest rates are higher, the costs of borrowing money go up and vulnerabilities are exposed, particularly for businesses that are tied to risky derivative structures. Market fragility has been a topic of concern for economic professionals on multiple occasions. The risk landscape becomes more transparent when one considers the combination of factors such as rising interest rates, deteriorating collaterals, inflated technology valuations, and continued liquidity concerns. The world may be on the verge of seeing one of the most significant market corrections there has ever been. According to prominent voices in the financial industry, artificial intelligence, AI stocks, which have grown highly overvalued, could experience large drops in the event that a big downturn occurs. Short sellers who control positions in AMC would be immediately impacted if large stocks such as Nvidia experienced a crash, since it would result in the loss of trillions of dollars in collateral value. When there is a fall in collateral, covering is nearly always required, which has traditionally resulted in exceptionally rapid price increases in the assets that are being shorted the most. The presence of banking exposure is an additional crucial element. The fact that some banks are currently showing credit exposure of more than 300% underscores the vulnerability of the system. A number of property brokers have filed for bankruptcy, which is another indication that the commercial real estate industry is experiencing difficulty. It is impossible for severely leveraged institutions to borrow money when they are confronted with a threatened situation. Companies that rely on borrowed cash to maintain short positions are put in a position where they face an increased danger of failure as a result of this domino effect. Certain market experts expected that AMC will file for bankruptcy every few months for a number of years. However, despite the failure of numerous huge organizations and real estate titans, AMC managed to endure. Both the inaccuracy of their projections and the resiliency of AMC are brought to light by this conflict. Debt restructuring, interest expenditure reductions, and cost management are examples of improvements that are frequently ignored in online debates, which lead to the exaggeration of very modest problems within AMC. A number of businesses, including AMC's rivals, fall into the debt category. Despite this, AMC's debt is shrinking, while the debt of other companies is growing. However, the complete data offers a different story than the selective narratives that disguise this fact. The role of the IT industry is also at the center. A number of analysts, including well-known players in the market, are of the opinion that synthetic intelligence (AI) stocks may be exaggerating revenue and growth estimates. There is a possibility that the collapse in valuation will be monumental if this bubble breaks. The major artificial intelligence-heavy investors rely heavily on Japan's near-zero interest rates, which give them access to low-cost borrowing options. Using leverage based on the yen helped fuel large investments in artificial intelligence stocks. It is possible that the unwinding of this mechanism may cause shockwaves to be sent across the whole global financial system if currency fluctuations or tightening monetary policy manage to disrupt it. The combination of all of these factors, including collateral instability, suppressed price movement, macroeconomic risk, box office strength, institutional inflows, and shared short exposure between AMC and GME, results in a scenario that is unlike anything that has been seen in the market in recent times. The AMC is situated in the middle of a number of pressures that are converging on each other.